up here on the hillside. It's a beautiful location. You kind of see it. It's a little overcast today. Really beautiful day. So this is fenced, fully fenced property. Got your cute little A-frame, your detached garage. This is your driveway right here. Got your shop over there. Plenty of room for anything you need to do. They have this little dog pen down there. You have this little road that goes all the way around, you know, the house if you need to. But holy smokes, this thing is so cute. So first impressions, very well maintained. Great roof, siding looks good, paint looks good. Let's go over here, let's take a better. Wow, this place is so cute. You got a neighbor coming in right there. So, you know, that's a neighbor, and then there's a neighbor right there in that tree line, which you can't really see. So, I mean, it's pretty private out here. There's also, that should be hood, I believe. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. New rock here. Porch looks nice. Really good. Let's go inside here. Love this green screen door. Screen itself is in great condition. So we walk in, and first impressions are it's very neat. It's very well taken care of. And just cute as a pin. For an A-frame, the ceilings are actually pretty high. Usually they come down, you know, these beams are done really well. It still gives you some good headspace, which is nice. So this whole wall is windows, and that's your view. Absolutely fantastic. So into the kitchen. So you do technically have a dining room, which is really nice. So I like these natural wood cabinets. They go all the way to the ceiling to really maximize storage. Got big cabinets. Granite with a live edge, which is nice. Another back door. Let's peek out there really quick. You got a back porch. So this is gonna be east facing. So you have morning sunlight and you have afternoon west facing sunlight. Okay, and we'll do an outdoor tour here in a second. There's storage everywhere in this house, so even though you know it's only 1,000 square feet, they were really thoughtful with their layout. You have a little pantry right here. Oh, and they're just using it as a coat closet, which is once again very smart. So in here we have laundry and bathroom. So this is the only shower in the house, and it is downstairs. So you'd have to be walking up and down in the shower. Once again, fantastic headspace for an A-frame. Large space, well thought out. I mean, I just really love, like, you know, it hasn't been lived in hard. It feels like it's been very well cared for. Okay, let's head upstairs. I do love this flooring, very durable. So let's go upstairs. Okay, so upstairs we have one traditional bedroom with a door, and then this technically would be the master, and it's loft style, which for A-frames isn't abnormal. I love this wide plank flooring here, and you still see all the nail holes. Very rustic. So this is a queen size bed and it fits, you know, well, no problem there. So once again, this is west facing. I mean, just like an immaculate view, just beautiful. Okay, so we have a closet. And then we have a little half bath. Okay. Super cute room. Office. They do have a little twin bed. This is built in, this twin frame here, so that's kind of, you know, useful space. And then you have that cute little loft area. Once again, just maximizing on every piece of storage in this house. Just really being thoughtful with the layout. Let's go out here. Okay. Now we are east facing. So yeah, I mean, you have a few neighbors, but not really. I mean, no one in your business though, which is really nice. So that should be well house, which is nice to see some solar on there. This is your garage. And then shop over there. Very well done. We are on the east side of the property, the back side of the property. Let's go into the 2-car garage, which is a very nice garage. It's deep, which is really great. Obviously, you know, he's a woodworker. He has some really good product, really good stuff in here actually. Okay, so it does look like he has heat source in here. Yeah, he has power, plenty of power. Yeah, this is a great garage, that's for sure. We just looked at the garage. Now we're gonna look at this shed. There's some really just beautiful, colorful flowers here. Okay, so we're gonna look at this shed really quick. Looks like this is just, you know, obviously strictly for painting. I do see some power in here. I don't know the condition of this shed, but it is nice just to have another outbuilding for storage or miscellaneous items. So it looks like the shop is locked. I can't get in, but I will give you just a quick walk around here. I mean, this place looks great. I mean, this shop actually looks newer than the house. And you know, these things are pretty hard to, you know, ruin. It looks really good actually. That's the neighbor's property, but looks good here. Okay, looks awesome.